Hi! Someone's coming from Japan. She's my cousin, Licca. But she's still in the box. Let's unbox her. Lovely crafters, welcome back to my show. So, my cousin from Japan, Licca, is coming to my house. Let's unbox her together. So my dad is here right now so you can compare our size. So my dad is an adult-sized doll. He's 31 centimeters tall, while me and Licca are 23 centimeters tall. Yes, Licca is exactly the same size as mine. So let's get to know her closer. So my box condition is not so good because she's been in a luggage for several hours flying from Japan to my country. And now I know how it feels to be illiterate. Looking at her box and nothing I can understand except the pictures. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's unbox her. So I don't know the type of this Licca doll because nothing I can understand in the writings. But I guess this is a type of a bride or a princess from a Candyland. It's pink and so girly, and the theme of the dress is all about candy and cakes. And here she is. The details of the dress are so lovely, and I can't wait to see the legs. So this is the very signature design of Licca doll. It has no joint. You can bend it like wire, although it has limited angle. And how about the plastic quality of the body? It's hard enough. How about the arms? Can I bend it? Oh, I cannot bend it. I thought I can bend it just like in the picture. Okay, I won't force it. Okay, let's take a look at her hair. And honestly, I don't really like the bride veil because, honey, you're too young to be a bride. So let's take it off and look at her other accessory that's included in the box. The shoes. So it's kitten heels kind of shoes, pink, girly, and rubbery. And I wonder about this big candy. Oh, it's attached to the dress. I thought it's a brooch or something. And she has earrings. And I'm pretty sure I can take it off, but just let it be there. And the hair, just like any other doll, it's never as good as in the picture. It's okay. We can restyle her later. Now let's take a look where she was made from. She is made in China, just like mostly any other dolls. Oh, she got white underwear inside. I like it. I think it's very thoughtful. And above the veil, I think I'm gonna keep it to other adult doll. So let's compare her to Stacy. They really look like cousins, exactly the same size and the same age, I guess. That's why they can share shoes and outfits together. First, I'd really like to try whether they can really swap shoes together. So, Stacy and Licca can share shoes together. Now let's try the outfits. I'm so lucky to find a local crafter that made these Licca-sized dresses. And this is Mattel original outfit for Stacy. And this is the comparison with Barbie outfit. Small enough, right? And I found other Licca doll dresses that is not original, but it's okay. Let's try them all. So, these are all Mattel brand outfits I put on Licca. Everything is perfectly fit. So, Licca's feet are not totally flat. So, I recommend rubbery kind of Stacy shoes to put on her. I think it's very nice. I like it. So, Licca has little bit boobies on her body like this. Unlike Stacy, she's so flat. So some of Licca's dress a little bit loose on Stacy, but it still looks good. It's quite difficult to find original brand of outfits for Licca because you can only buy it in Japan. Just like the doll, you can only buy it in Japan. It's not officially available in any toy store in my country. I guess it's the same way in your country, except if you're from Japan. And so, I put them on Barbie scale furniture I've made and it's too big for them. I think I have to make their own size of bed and other furniture.
You mean we're going to be roommates?
Yes, I guess so.
Yay! I'm so happy!
So, which one do you prefer? Licca or Stacy? Takaratomi or Mattel? And thanks for watching. I hope you liked the show and see you in my other videos in 2023. Bye!